Hey everybody.
Hey there. We just left the campground. We're heading up this super
windy road.
windy mountain road with...
Don't get seasick.
I might. Heading up to Little Switzerland.
We're going to be getting on the Blue Ridge Parkway here pretty soon. It's kind of foggy. Not sure what we'll be able to see, but it's the best way to get to where we're going. And we did have rain all last night.
Again?
I don't know where all the rain is coming from. It's just continuous. So we're just trying to figure out what we can do today in the rain, or kind of off and on rain, and the sun comes out for 2 seconds and then it rains again. But
sorry about the bumpiness here.
Yeah. So thanks for joining us, and we'll see what we can discover together. We're up in the clouds, and we're on our way to Little Switzerland. It's several more miles here. As you can see, not a very good day for visibility, and it feels like we're the only ones up here. So it's kind of a desolate place, and it's very beautiful that Blue Ridge Parkway runs for. Well, we'll have to put the statistics up, but we'll come back up here on a clear day and hopefully get some good scenery. Well, we ended up, I couldn't find Little Switzerland in the fog, so we came to Spruce Pine. We're here right now. It stopped raining and it's not as foggy, and we're going to look for a little lunch to have, a little bite to eat. And I see across the street there they have free beekeeping class today from 1 to 3. So maybe we'll just go check that out for a minute.
On this part, on the edges, and that's called, we call it bee glue. And it sticks everything together. So you would never find yourself able to just do this.
Oh yeah, wow. That's what I was wondering. Wonder why you wouldn't do that.
One bar at a time. Okay. But when you get them moved down, then this forward board goes on this end, and the rest of the bars go over here.
So we're going to try out the tropical grill. Oh wow, this is a cool place. Very cool.
Ooh, it's chilly though in here.
Yes, it is. Maybe we should go with outside. Let's try outside if we can stay dry.
Okay.
So while she's deciding, I'll do the mango garlic chicken.
Mango, Aubrey told you about it?
Yes, she did. That's her favorite.
Yes. It's a lot of sweet there. Do you want me to spice you up on that one, or you just want to?
A little bit of spice.
A little bit of spice. I will let my husband do it, so I do it.
Okay.
So this has tomato on it too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I'm going to go with that one.
With the sandwich,
Yeah.
okay. Guava's good. I like guava.
I'll do guava.
Guava, maybe.
Okay, great.
Thank you. How's that guava smoothie?
It's delicious. Yeah, guava. I've never had a guava smoothie. It's good. I got a new chicken with tomato, and it has some pickles, and I don't know what else on it, but it's yummy.
Yeah, and this is a garlic chicken, mango chicken, yes. And black beans with lime over top, which I've never had. It's really good.
Uptown Funk was recommended by Claudia at the
Tropical
Grill.
So are you John?
Yes.
So Claudia sent us down
Yeah.
here. Yep.
Claudia's great.
Yep.
I'll
She's a
call
good
down there and
networker.
she'll go, hey, what do you want? You want a patty melt today? She gets on me because I tell everybody try the patty melt. It's really good. It is really good. But their Cuban is amazing. And the Riviera. In fact, I've tried everything on the menu because
Really?
she made me. She said, you're going to have to start trying something.
mango chicken.
Mango chicken stuff. That was good. I couldn't eat it all. I wasn't that hungry. I took half of it home.
In the summertime, my favorite, if I'm not craving a Cuban, because Cubans are so good, I get the Caribbean salad, the chicken, the creamy cilantro dressing. Oh my God.
How are you? Hmm?
She doesn't like the rocks.
Yeah, she doesn't like the rocks either.
Yeah, she doesn't really like. She doesn't.
Hey, Olivia. How are you? We don't know anything about them. You pet them? I mean, they're just like dogs? I mean, like they just...
They're very different than dogs, but they're a pet, and yes, pet them.
They like attention?
Loves attention, really
And
affectionate.
they're good with strangers and all that?
Oh yeah, they don't bite. They really are animals of prey. They don't have defense.
Hey, hello. Hello, how are you? Huh? How are you? You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. You're so pretty. You're a pretty girl. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you are.
She's a dog fur.
Oh, her fur is so rough.
Yeah, and it's very coarse, and then going, with it, it's soft.
Yeah.
And then against it, and then she's real soft on like her ears, and then her tummy is real soft.
Aw.
Yeah, her
How old is she?
She'll be 2, 4th of July.
How long do they live? Like
20 years.
Really? Cool.
Long time.
Cool.
Too long, no.
Yeah, you're gonna be an old girl.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She
Now.
loves to travel, and she you say, let's go for a ride, and she'll jump in the truck.
Aw.
She's
Can you
take her everywhere.
can
with
you
us.
teach them tricks and everything
Yeah.
like a dog?
Yeah.
Really?
They have the intellect of a toddler, a 3-year-old, a 4-year-old.
Wow.
And they're
That's
listed
amazing.
intelligent-wise up there with dolphins and
Wow. Cool.
does she lay down? Oh yeah. Yeah, she'll lay down. She'll lay down on her legs. If she's just snoozing, just like when she's in bed, she pops over on her side. She likes her tummy being rubbed. They're pack animals, and so she stays with us. She always wants to be with us.
Right.
We could never leave her by herself. She wouldn't.
But the dogs did okay with her.
They did. It took us a little while to introduce, but when we got her, she was about this big. And she was much smaller.
She's smaller
She
than
was
your
a
dog.
little tiny thing. And we really kind of worked with them and then she's gotten bigger. She doesn't see very well. Her main sense is smell.
Smell, yeah.
And so the dogs can maneuver around her quicker than she can, and so there are times when, when she gets too close or she's, intruding, and they'll be, and she's like, doesn't see them, and, but for the most part, they navigate each other really well.
She used
Yeah.
to walk under the brown dog.
Yeah. She
Oh,
was
wow.
there.
She would walk, like
Wow.
Ruby would stand there and she would just walk on the...
Well, of course.
Oh, very close.
Do they shed in the house or anything? Do they shed or not like a dog or?
Once or twice a year, it's called blowing the coat, and it'll all fall out.
Oh.
And
Huh.
maybe a week's time, and then it grows back. It's real weird.
Huh.
It's balls, but
Yeah.
No, like when she was little, I would put my hand
foods that we would enjoy. She enjoys chocolate, French fries, pizza, things of
So they
that
can have chocolate even though dogs can't have chocolate, but that's okay.
Their
Mm-hmm.
diet should be exactly like ours.
Okay. Hey, Rye. This is the outdoor seating for dog-friendly dining. Oh, we're all missing a couple teeth, actually. Riley. Hi.
You're about ready to eat lunch?
And it's pouring out,
It's pouring out, yeah.
so it's a good time for lunch. And these folks have been taking good care of us here. Oh my gosh,
For a ride.
that was sweet. Thank you so much. And I'm getting a Mediterranean salad.
Ew, look, Riley gets a turkey.
Wow, how about them apples, huh?
Wow. You get lunch too.
Oh yeah. This place is alright, isn't it? In between the rainstorm
trip to Black Mountain.
Here's the front of the Veranda Cafe. Big enough. What are you doing?
We have a lavender and a rosemary plant here. Smells so good. And it helps to repel any kind of bugaboos on deer riding.
I got a stroll in the hardware store here. Oh, this is where I had my key made, remember? Oh, yeah. They're really coke in there. Ooh, look at that. Dang, root beer.
We're heading back to the RV now, but these little cute towns like Black Mountain and Marion, they have cute little quaint stores that have unique things that you can't find in other places.
That's right, it's like the step in time, going back in time to simpler time where people use cash and people know each other in a small town. It's really kind of cool. We stopped for a little lunch in Little Switzerland, right off the
Blue Ridge Parkway.
Blue Ridge Parkway, and so hopefully we can get some nourishment. We've been hiking all morning, and it's like 3 o'clock, and we're starving. So
We are.
look at this view. There's a pretty little site.
The tree better.
No, that's not what I meant. There's a nice little fire pit area. Little Adirondack chairs. Don't mind if I do.
Looking.
Oh, look at that view.
Mountains.
Unbelievable. What a pretty day this is. Put on the new magnet. Blue Ridge Parkway. What a beautiful, beautiful drive that was.